Alright, y'all. I have my garden. Ignore that it got overrun by grass and weeds at the moment. I made my seedlings and I've kind of put off putting them in the ground because I didn't have a fence and my crazy dog gets into everything. So I needed to do a fence on a budget and I did one and I want to share it with you. I got this multi-purpose netting. I want to say it was like $3. I got two because the perimeter of my garden box is more than what I needed. So I had to get two. Barely used the other one, but that's okay. And then I got zip ties, which I got 30 for like $2 at Lowe's. And I got these awesome tomato stakes. I want to say they were like $1.25 a piece, and I got 7 of them, so I've got 6 on the outside, 1 in the middle. Use the zip ties to connect the netting to the stakes after putting them in all the way around, and then I didn't put one in the middle here so that I can use it as a fence. Now my sticks are super awesome because 1, they're natural, 2, they were free, and 3, they allow me to just pull them out. Then that front piece comes down and I can easily get in my garden, which I'm going to work on more today. And I can just put it back. And then I can leave my crazy dog wherever he just ran off to. Keep him out of my garden. Woohoo, y'all, I'm so excited. It's the silly little things, but I love it. By the way, here's my super awesome pool that took me forever and gave me tons of anxiety about. Oh, here comes my crazy pit. Woo! There he goes. Alright, so if you need to do a garden and you need to do a garden on a budget, all you need are 3 things: zip ties, multi-purpose netting, and some sort of stake to put in the ground. Easy peasy. Have a great day, y'all.